Hi Sam. I'm glad you could join me today. We're focusing on the word
wahr,
today.
Hi Alex.
wahr,
What does that mean?
Great question.
wahr,
Means true or real in English. The most common meaning is,
true,
but it can also mean
genuine, authentic,
just be careful because it might seem similar to the English word,
wahre,
but they don't mean the same thing.
Interesting. So how is
wahr,
used in sentences?
Well
wahr,
is an adjective. When you say something is,
wahr,
you might say,
das ist wahr,
which means that is true. For the comparative form, you would say,
wahrer,
meaning truer, and for the superlative, it's,
am wahrsten,
which means the truest.
Got it. What about the plural? Is there a plural form for adjectives?
Adjectives like
wahr,
don't have a plural form by themselves, but they change depending on the noun they describe. For example, you might say,
wahr Informationen,
meaning true information.
How do you say it was true in the past?
You would say,
es war wahr,
for it was true. In the perfect, you can say,
es ist wahr gewesen,
which translates to, it has been true.
That sounds straightforward.
Yes, and if you want to give an imperative, you can say,
sei wahr,
which means be true.
Where does the word
wahr,
come from?
wahr,
Has its roots in Old High German, where it was spelled,
wahrer,
meaning truth or veracity. Over time, it evolved into its current form in modern German.
That's really interesting. I love learning about the history of words.
It's fascinating, isn't it? Now let's break down the word.
wahr,
Itself can be seen as a root word without a prefix or suffix. It's simple but powerful.
So there's no splitting it into smaller parts.
Exactly. Unlike compound words, which can be split.
wahr,
Stands alone. Think of it as a building block for many phrases related to truth.
What are some similar words to
wahr,
Well, let's explore some related words. First, theirs,
Wahrheit,
which means truth. The prefix,
wahr,
means true, and the suffix
heit,
is similar to ness in English, indicating a state or quality.
Wahrheit.
Is the state of being true.
Exactly. Then we have
wahrnehmen,
meaning to perceive. The prefix
wahr,
and the verb
nehmen,
means to take.
That makes sense. Any more examples?
Sure. There's
Wahrzeichen,
meaning landmark, which combines
wahr,
with
Zeichen,
for sign. Also
Wahrheitsgehalt,
means truth content, combining
wahr,
with
Gehalts,
for content.
Wow, that's quite a few.
It is. We can also look at similar adjectives like
echt,
meaning genuine, which is similar in use.
What about using
Wahr.
in real life situations?
Great idea. If you are discussing a fact, you might say,
das ist eine wahre Geschichte.
meaning that is a true story.
Let me try.
Das ist eine wahre Geschichte.
Perfect. Another situation could be debating something. You could say,
Ich finde, das ist nicht wahr.
which means I think that is not true.
I like that one.
Ich finde, das ist nicht wahr.
Awesome. Lastly, if someone asks about a rumor, you could say,
Ist das wahr?
meaning is that true?
Ist das wahr?
I think I'm getting the hang of this.
For the gender of.
Wahrheit,
It's feminine, so it uses the article.
die,
A hint to remember this is that many nouns ending in
heit,
are feminine.
That's helpful.
Also, keep in mind that
wahr,
is neutral and formal. You might hear phrases like
wahrheitsgemäß,
meaning truthfully, and be careful with words like
falsch,
which means false or wrong.
I'll remember that.
Now let's practice. Can you tell me the past tense of?
wahr,
In a sentence.
Es war wahr.
Exactly. And how about the superlative form in a sentence?
Das ist am wahrsten.
Close. It's correct, just remember to use it in context, like
das ist das am wahrsten Antwort.
meaning that is the truest answer.
Got it. What's the root of?
Wahrheit.
Again.
It's from the same root as.
Wahr,
Now let's recall quickly, what does
wahr,
mean in English?
It means true.
Great. And what's the comparative form?
Wahrer.
Yes. Can you give me a sentence with?
Wahrheit,
Die Wahrheit ist wichtig.
Perfect. How about the past tense?
Es war wahr.
Exactly. One last question. What is the imperative form?
Sei wahr.
Fantastic. You've done really well today.
Thanks, Alex. This was fun and very informative.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Remember, the key takeaway is that
wahr,
means true, and it has many related forms. Keep practicing.
I will. Looking forward to our next lesson.